Hey traders, want to move funds from Binance to Exness? Then let's do it fast and step by step. Grab your phone or laptop and let's go. First, log into Binance, head to your wallet, click Spot Wallet, and then Withdraw. Pick a crypto Exness accepts like USDT. Now select the network. TRC20 is cheap and fast. Next, go ahead and open Exness, log in, go to deposit and choose the same crypto, USDT. Then select TRC20 and copy the deposit address Exness gives you. Back in Binance, paste that address in the withdrawal field. Double check the address, mistakes can lose your funds. Enter the amount you want to send, hit withdraw and confirm with your 2FA code. Binance will process it and this usually takes 5 to 30 minutes. Now, back to Exness. Once the funds arrive, you'll see them in your account. Convert them to your trading currency if needed, and you're ready to trade Forex, crypto, or CFDs. Quick tip, enable 2FA on both platforms, use a secure connection, and always verify addresses. That's it, guys. Binance to Exness, done. Like and subscribe for more trading hacks.